DJM TV.
My betalicious Ogbonge person, I welcome you to another edition of DJM TV Entertainment Gist. That person be like say we give you everything wey be like say don't happen on top entertainment matter for inside Nigeria and all around the world. It is not the first time when you see any of our videos. Make you don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Now, I'm going to go quickly to the package we will bring off on us. So, for this edition of Entertainment Gist, not go anywhere, we dey come.
Hello? Why you, hello? Which bank account are you using?
Okay, I use Sky Bank and Diamond Bank.
Oh, Sky Bank and Diamond Bank. So you can talk. You have been hearing me and you will fall from that sky.
What could give you the first gist? It consigned the first and only son of Oga Buhari, will be the president of Nigeria. We'll talk about Yusuf Buhari. Yes, the guy don't do news again. No worry, your bike don't crash this time. Now something else now, but I know the last time we did for news, now concerning power bank, people that say crash, but I say they get accident. But this time around, not be power bank crash, a power bike crash. So it's on something else and a good news. Yusuf Buhari they set to marry the princess of Bashir for inside Kano. We'll talk about Zara Bayero. Zara Bayero now the granddaughter of Alhaji Ado Bayero, and her father currently now be the emir of Bashir for Kano State. Now, Yusuf Buhari and Zara Bayero, their marriage will likely take place in the next 2 to 3 months. You know, because presently now, Zara is studying for the United Kingdoms and she never graduated. But hopefully, as soon as she graduates, they will cement their relationship. You know how the matter they play. You know, say when two great families will come together, then they rush and they do it small. And when they finally want to do the whole thing, come outside, everywhere go bust. 2 seconds, like you say, everywhere that is maybe I don't need my money to buy a Ashwebi. I don't say, no need to go buy Ashwebi because Ashwebi for those kind of party like from like 1 million they buy Ashwebi. Not the matter they be. Now, right now, plans they on ground for the marriage between Yusuf Buhari and Zara Bayero. And as the matter they go like this now, the families they don't meet themselves, you know, they want to talk to themselves to know how far, when will they set date, when will we say okay, when be the auspicious dates for this wedding. So far what will not be say the wedding will come up within the next 2 to 3 months. Would expect to see pictures everywhere, invitation card, pre-wedding picture, you know the matter they be. Now, in case you never see Zara, see her here, fine girl. See how she said. You know, so kind of you go know say this one, she knows something. You know that matter they be now. Yusuf, you get eye for better thing, you like better thing. This babe, whatever, a correct or bongalicious babe, as the matter they play. Well, we wish them success for their upcoming marriage. We hope say everything will go well and their home go day peaceful. We don't say their relationship or their marriage as they be, it pass not just coming together of 2 individuals. This one are coming together of 2 great families, and we'll never know what will be the outcome. Maybe who knows, maybe they're going to be the president of the country, or if he can become emir of Bashir for Kano State. Now, talking about weddings, marriage, popular Nigerian Nollywood actress Omotola Ekende, also known as Omo Sexy, that first Nigerian actress to trademark her name, she don't celebrate her 25th wedding anniversary with her husband Matthew Ekende. Now, she posted one picture for social media. They celebrate her, say 25 years and strong. They don't get married for the past 25 years. They married on the 23rd of March 1996. Sorry, and but they get their dream wedding. Does everybody get that? You know that I will put that dream wedding again. Say, for my wedding, we will do one for boat cruise, or we all of us for private jet. You know, we also do wedding for air, all those kind of things. Someone say, I want underwater wedding, those kind of dream wedding thing. The Kenya's they do their dream wedding for 2001, but they actually get married for 1996. But their dream wedding, they do it for 2001. Like I say, they do it for one flight. They say, Matthew Kennedy, in case you don't know, the pilot. So they do their dream wedding for one flight from Lagos to Benin. They just there with their friends and their family inside the flight, do their dream wedding, you know, all the paparazzi there, everything. Now the couple they're blessed with 4 children, 2 girls and 2 boys. They are also known as homosexy. Apart from the fact that she don't trademark her name, she be big time Nollywood actress. She started her movie career from 1995 with her debut movie, and since then she don't go far well for the movie industry. Times don't honor her as one of the 100 most influential people for the world, alongside with Michelle Obama and Beyonce and some other people there. She did do well for herself, and her children they also they do well. Her husband a pilot, renowned pilot. You know that kind of matter now. Although recently one of these big brother Nigerian stars snap picture with the mama because they say wait be that. But homosexual that man nothing they happen. She just entered flight and she didn't lucky say my husband be the pilot, and then she decide to snap with my husband. So and then the worries. Nigerians don't come out and come congratulate the Ken. They say congratulations. Wow, 25 years, that be silver jubilee. Many Nigerians don't congratulate and say that they wish them well for their future endeavors, and they wish them many more years of happy married life. So congratulations to the Ken days on your 25th wedding anniversary. We pray God say God will keep una for the past 25 years. Will continue to keep una for as long as una will live life together. Now somebody can say, what do you mean you smile? Now because this next one when I want to talk, it concern person be like say, and some people go say, I been a crush. I forget that to not be crush. All of us get celebrity be like say we like like as in we like confirm like. That time when I grew up, again one movie when I first watched this guy movie, I said, wow, this bros. And I never really know too much about the bros. So today I want to talk about no other person but Sam Dede, renowned veteran Nollywood actor. We be like say when he enters screen like this, movie screen, you go know say this movie it go bam. You know, I talk about no other person but Sam Dede. His full name is Sam Dede Tokun. They born am for Lagos, 17th of November 1965, and he hail from Okrika for Rivers State, Nigeria. He a thespian, na lecturer for one of the renowned university for Nigeria University of Port Harcourt, Rivers State. He also graduated from that university. Graduated from University of Port Harcourt before he could go ahead to get a lecturing job for that university. Now, renowned thespian. I guess you don't know be thespian. Thespian is a person who study theater arts. You get the guy now, as in his students always just say, this is our lecturer and lecturer with a different lecturer. Like say he know the practical of waiting in the teachers. You get the matter now. Sam Dede na correct. He don't start for many movies. He done it for Nollywood for the past 20 years. As I talk about movie, I know that movie don't come. You mention the movie now. You know Isakaba. That one movie that many people know. That they really come as a people say, who be this man? Who be this man? When they, you know that film now when they add them like say when they go touch person do bad thing, the cutlass will change to red. We get part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. When they do Isakaba, oh yeah, Isakaba. You don't remember the movie now. Apart from that, you don't start for many movies. You don't start for Isakaba. You don't start for Lion King. You don't start for different movies. And the latest of the ones when he start, the latest movie when he act, now the Good Husband. Some of the fans say he's an actor. He be also director, lecturer. I don't tell now. Senior lecturer, not like my lecturer. Now senior lecturer in a TV personality. Don't start for over 250 Nigerian movies. Now, these movies, when he don't act, I don't tell you that the popular one is Sakaba, Organic Way, Lion King, many movies, and latest of them, The Good Husband. He then married to Sammy Dede. I don't know that they married, I don't know that they see they say no like they answer the same name. He then married to Sammy Dede, and they do well for themselves. They live for River State. Now, aside actor, director, he be also politician. He's here to touch politics. Like I say, for 2012, the River State government appointed him as Director General of the River State Tourism Development Board. You know how the matter they be. They say that person will wash your hand where now they follow King the shop. The guy don't pay dues for the movie industry. Really, he don't pay dues. You get. He don't win many awards for his movies. Many awards that he don't win. And personally, I like his style of acting. It bring the character to life. It put, they put energy. They make you they feel the character. They make you they understand the whole thing. So when they talk, somebody go say, wait. And because I like the guy, John, I like his style of acting. Really, one of the male actors who made me really sit down and say, I want to watch Nigeria. If I see something for any movie, I know so we get other good actors. So, but if I see Sam Dede and the likes of them, RMD, those people, all those people there for movie. I must watch a movie. If you don't make us have a crush on them, I like a crush on anybody. I know they be good actors and they always deliver. They never fail, they never disappoint. They always deliver. Now you want to come to the end of DJM TV Entertainment Gist. If you know say any of the matter what we talk you like, and drop your comment for the comment section. Are you reason Uncle Sam, my call Uncle Sam. Are you reason Uncle Sam matter? Uncle Sam a better actor be. Then drop your congratulatory messages, and then make you not forget say DJM TV we there for Facebook, we there for Twitter, we there for Instagram at DJM TV. For Instagram, na DJM TV News, na be our handle. We also there for TikTok, and also we get website www.djmtv.news, and then we drop all the latest gist. Just go there, news they drop for them, but go like this per second billing. You know how the matter they bill, and when they charge you to read our news, when they give the news a free of charge on top of the matter. And for DJM TV we get wide reach. Guess what? If you place your advert with us, and when you place your advert with us, we go carry your market for head past government work. So your customers they must locate you, say you they sell something like say they want, whether na goods or whether na services, anything what you they do, when you go feel you say as the way they render as services to people, place your advert with us, and we they assure you say your market it go reach permanent site. You know how the matter they be now. Permanent site, it go also go to camping ground. One I will come to the end of entertainment gist. Until we come your way again with another edition. Like we'll give you better gist there. Inside entertainment gist. But you don't forget, say my name. Now Lawu Favor. And I always a drop quote on that. Anything when you do, make you do away, because they say now who wash your hand clean? That they follow King, they chop.
Hello everyone, this is Bloom Skincare Organic, your #1 store, and I'm here to introduce you to our products. Our whitening, we have whitening lotion, we have caramel, we have children lotion, we have whitening soap, mulatto soap. We have different kind of products for you, and we also have wholesale. We sell for people that we sell wholesale price, and we have a very good discount for you. At Bloom Skincare, we have products for bone enlargement, enhancement products. We have lightening products. We have products for dark people, for dark skin, and our products are very affordable. We have wholesale price, and we also have online training classes. Distance is not a barrier. We deliver worldwide. So contact us today and be glad. Don't miss this opportunity.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
People don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM